The Cockroach Janata Party founder Abhijit Dipke is in Pune today to launch the first phase of the nationwide protest planned by the CJP over alleged exam irregularities and demand for the resignation of Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan. The founder of the Cockroach Janata Party has stated they will release an education manifesto of the protest. Abhijit Dipke said that climate activist Sonam Wangchuk will also participate in the peaceful protest, which is scheduled to start in the evening on the Savitribai Phule Pune University campus. Briefing further about the manifesto, Dipke said the manifesto focuses on preventing question paper leaks, ensuring timely declaration of examination results, improving transparency in recruitment and entrance examinations, strengthening accountability of examination authorities, and also addressing issues faced by students due to delays and irregularities in conduct of examinations. Shweta Verma joins us for more on this story. Shweta, Abhijit Dipke has arrived in Pune. He's briefed the media about this manifesto as well that the Cockroach Janata Party plans to launch during their Pune protest.
Well, that's absolutely right, Uday. In fact, once again, Abhijit Dipke, the founder of Cockroach Janata Party, is all set to protest. And remember, while releasing out his posters, he ensured that this is going to be a peaceful protest. Time and again, while interacting with media, he stated that like Jantar Mantar, again in Pune, this is going to be a peaceful protest. Having said that, they are also all set to launch their education manifesto. With certain points, they have stated that while launching the manifesto, they will ensure that there would be transparency, there would be no rigging, and of course, while there are certain things about competitive exams, this will be avoided, the fraudulent methods that are being used to crack NEET. Remember, this entire thing started while there was the comment which was made by CGI, but later on it went to NEET, and again we have seen certain hashtags, education minister must resign and so on. And while we have seen what has happened in Jantar Mantar also, now this is the second time where Abhijit Dipke with his people, which are said to be thousands, they are going to protest in Pune, and in short time from now they will be protesting. Remember, this is going to be a peaceful protest as stated by Mr. Dipke, and he stated that along with him there would be vast number of students, and of course the students, those who are appearing for competitive exams like NEET, UPSC, MPSC and so on. With this, additionally, Uday, it is important to note that how Mr. Sonam Wangchuk is also being a part of this protest. Remember, in Jantar Mantar also he showed his solidarity. In fact, he was present right there with Dipke, and today also Sonam Wangchuk, the climate activist, is there in Pune. And having said that, it is again important to see that Abhijit Dipke, time and again, he said that this is all for students, and to ensure that certain riggings and fraudulent methods do not take place for competitive exam that are that are going to harm students in their future. So of course, in short time from now in Pune, in Savitribai Phule campus, Abhijit Dipke with the few protesters, they will be carrying out a peaceful protest as said by him. Importantly, in fact, when he was interacting in Pune with the media, he stated that we will be ensuring that this protest reaches to the right people, and the ball is in the government's court. With this, he also stated that after today, their future course of action is also on 20th of June, where again they will be holding a mass protest in New Delhi. But yes, all eyes on today's protest by CJP founder Abhijit Dipke in Pune, in Savitribai Phule campus, where him along with the protesters will be carrying out the protest. And again, their sole motive is that the education minister must resign, and they are also going to launch their education manifesto.
Right. More
Back to you
updates
there.